Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 16th of June, 2020. Hope you had a good trading day on Monday. It was interesting. Gap down. It wasn't quite the day I was hoping for. Just gap down instead of gapping up. Then we headed lower for a brief moment. And then the rest of the day was an upward move. There was a good value area play in the ES for the gap fill. But other than that, it really wasn't that interesting. We had a couple stock picks that worked, but it just wasn't what I was looking for. So here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures forum, and you can see after selling off last week and Thursday and not doing much on Friday, we kind of swept lower today and then headed back up, and now the futures for tomorrow, Tuesday, are showing up a bit. We'll see if that holds overnight. Let's go through the major daily charts. Crude oil 36.87 down 25 cents. Gold up $11.70. Gold is a couple candles up. It'll have a 13 sell signal in theory. That could recycle though. We'll see what happens. S&P cash gained 25.28. Nasdaq 100 up 113.12. Strange chart on that Nasdaq. I'll tell you what. SOX up 27.16. The biotech's up 73.83. Russell 2000 gains 31.92. The VIX down $1.69, although it did sweep the highs earlier on in the session. Trend closes exactly at 1, puts the 10-day moving average at 1.12, which is not a useful signal for us. NASDAQ volume, 4.4 billion shares, up a little bit from Friday, down from most of last week. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 1479. More stocks up than down, although not as strong as some days we've seen lately. On the New York plus 982, and again, most of the updates have been stronger than that. Google gains $7.82. Apple up $4.19. Netflix gains $7.43. Amazon up 27.66. Tesla up 55.62. Remember, they're still operating under a lot of 13 sell signals here on these daily charts. Facebook, another one with a 13. It was up 392. But that doesn't mean it just sells off. But we are operating under sell signals on all these stocks. Most of the big FANG stocks. Goldman Sachs up 4.53. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, was only up 9 cents. The Dow up 157 points, which doesn't really matter. When you look at the intraday action 5-minute candles, you can see the last couple of days we've kind of retread the same ground over and over and over again. The second half of Thursday, most of Friday, and now today in a different direction. Almost the exact same territory each time. Leaving no gaps behind, but not really making progress either way. NASDAQ side, pretty much the same. And that's why it kind of gets to the point where being untradeable. I didn't really like the setup on Monday. So we'll see. We had some great days last week, and hopefully we'll still see some of those this week as well. In terms of economic data, we've got retail sales an hour before the bell, capacity utilization, industrial production 15 minutes before the bell. Fed Chair Powell testifies to Congress at 10 a.m., business inventories at 10, NAHB housing market index at 10. And that's it for Tuesday. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.